So guys, we made it to Disney, and this is Anton and my sister's room. Here's the bathroom. Wow, nice. This is the main living space. Wow, nice. King bed, sofas, and here's their Disney view. You can see the back of Guardians of the Galaxy. Here's our room. This is supposed to sleep 7 people because my uncle wanted to join. There's the pull-out couch. So you're gonna watch Star Wars here? There's the kitchen. Here's the bedroom. And here's the bathroom. Wow. And the view. Open up the blinds. Oh. The old hotel. Oh look, we got a view of Disney. Wow. Now we're just watching the fireworks outside, but we can't hear the fireworks. I mean, we can't hear the audio. Wow. We got some black tap. I got a strawberry shortcake, and they got cookies and cream. Is that ice cream too?
Yeah, ice cream.
You got an ice cream sandwich too? All right, so Joshua and Dale is finally here. And then it is 1:18 a.m. And we're gonna be getting up at like 6:30 this morning. So they only have like maybe 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:00, 5 hours to sleep. There they are. How's the drive?
My butt hurts.
How's your recital? It's fine. Welcome to our humble abode. You, Eric, you Joy, get that room, and Uncle Stanley get this room. Us 3, someone's sleeping on the floor, I'm getting the bed.
See, Dad, this is happening.
Good morning! Good morning! We're here! Again. We're in Cars Land.
Always get it there.
Guys, we're like actually dorks right now. We're wearing fanny packs the right way. Oh, wow!
Slow down! You're not racing yet. It takes more than new tires to win a race.
So for lunch, we all got the quesadilla. Anton, try it. I record everyone that tries the quesadilla for the first time. Okay, dip it in the consomme. All right, get ready. Oh.
Where'd you graduate from? UCLA. Oh, so you're smart
Who needs Yosemite? We got Disneyland.
Oh my God.
Anton, come on! Oh, you can't tap out, Anton. You gotta, you gotta finish the journey.
God, it's so long. Oh my God.
You gotta finish the journey. Whoa! Go! So it's the next day, and everyone's dressed up. Josh is wearing his suit, I'm wearing my suit. Everyone's wearing their dresses, and we're about to leave soon. Okay, bye bathroom, bye room, bye kitchen, bye uncomfortable pull-out mattress. And we're in. Wow, 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 wow. We can't find her because she looks like every other bee. Oh, keep shaking it. Close it with your thumb, close it with your thumb. And keep shaking it more. Oh. So guys, this is our hotel room. We have 2 queen beds. One of these are mine. They're sharing, I'm not sharing. There is the view of Universal, I think. Oh yeah, there it is. There's Universal Studios right there. And there's a chair over there, there's a TV. And then here is our bathroom. Wow. Wow. And then this is the other room. Same thing. Same thing. Oh, we get a shuttle too? And we made it. Let's go to Abercrombie.
I like the name. The rest of my cast. Steven, Johnny, I like to thank the director. I couldn't have done without you. Oh, I got another one. That's me. And then myself and I, Josh and Josh.
Alright, so I took a quiz for which house do I belong to, and I belong to this house. This is the house that I belong to.
I knew it.
What do you mean?
I could have called it for you. I would never call that.
Yeah,
I
you
would have said
said-
Slytherin, then Ravenclaw, then Gryffindor, then Hufflepuff. You're not Hufflepuff.
Morning. Good morning. All right, goodbye hotel room. Goodbye view. Goodbye view of Universal City. Universal Studios. Goodbye closet. Goodbye bathroom. Goodbye toilet. Goodbye fading. Wow, Super Mario World.
Nintendo World will be coming to Universal Studios
Wow.
Hollywood early. That looks like a flash flood.
I'm getting wet! I'm getting wet!
Now the shark is.
Oh no, no!
What am I gonna do? Blame the shark. Shark still.
Wow!
The yellow and black cars.
Wow, rest in peace.
Franchise behind a
Oh my god, I
whole
need to,
row
I
of
get to meet
cool
all of you.
Fast and Furious cars.
Wait, where is he? Where is he? He's not here. What? What? Is he on a day off or something? So I got the English breakfast, they got the English breakfast, they also got the English breakfast. Oh my god! You get wet? This is what I'm eating for lunch. I'm eating a orange chicken, kung pao chicken, and chow mein and rice.
Yes, that's it.